So we're gonna be testing a new clay. Apparently it's gonna turn gray. It's called Barcino. Is it though? I don't remember. They brought me the supplies I wanted to get 2 weeks ago, last Wednesday, which is yesterday, not the day before. And half, 6 of the 15 that I bought were smashed. I'm gonna show you some pictures because it's really, really sad. When I saw it, I was a bit shocked. Like, well, the plastic bags were open, the clay was kind of dry. The delivery guy, he was sweating so much because each bag of clay, we are talking about 12.5 kilograms of weight. So he was bringing 15 of them. So the poor guy didn't know what it was. I was just like, what happened here? He was like, they are so heavy. I had to ask back for those 6 pack of clay, and we're gonna be testing the ones that did not break, because I think I need to return the ones that asked to get refund or at least supplied back, because I cannot use them. They are dryish, and I would like to avoid to rehydrate wow, that word is tricky. Rehydrate the clay. So yeah, most probably they're gonna send it back to me. Luckily, I could work a tiny bit and create the collection I wanted to create. With this great one, I'm using the white one, so not ideal, but I love the white one too, and it's been a long while I wasn't using it, so I'm really motivated to, so I'm not annoyed by that. All this introduction for me to say that we're gonna move down. We're gonna throw a small plate with the face inside with the new clay. Yay! Basically, I'm gonna be cleaning a tiny bit the wheel because it's full of white clay, but you know, magic is gonna happen. So you're gonna be here. This is the mess I need to clean. Sorry, I'm gonna clean. And this is the clay we're gonna be using. It's gonna arrive the day in which I'm gonna recycle for real this clay. I've never done it. I'm not looking forward to it. I will not bother to clean the inside because I have another buckets with a mix of different clays. So once I'm gonna be cleaning the pottery wheel, I'm gonna be using that buckets in order to clean the white and the gray clay.
Why can't we just take control? We're overcomplicating how love flows. High low shouldn't be this stuff broke, shouldn't be this hard to tell you I want more. I wanna see that you want me, snatch me up quick, let's see the ring. I wanna know, can we move forward, bust down that door, playing all my cards now, cause I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. I've been waiting, but every time I
Kinda thought she was into me, but I guess not. From the way that she looked and spoke to me, I lost the plot. Don't wanna hear about her with anybody in case you forgot. Love turning friends into enemies. Now it's so fraught, so fraught, so fraught, so fraught. But I won't let what's meant to be slip away from me. Embrace destiny. Stay with me now. If you love me, show me how. 'Cause I feel it. Babe, do you feel it? Maybe we could be alone in our meditative zone. So breathe deep, baby, we're dreaming daily. Took a walk around the lake and watched you smile. Haven't felt this way for someone in quite a while. But I'm too scared to tell you how I feel, 'cause I don't deny. So I left you two alone that night and drove for miles and miles and miles and miles. But I won't let what's meant to be slip away from me. Feel the ecstasy. Stay with me now. If you love me, show me how. 'Cause I feel it. Babe, do you feel it? Baby, we could be alone in our meditative zone. So breathe deep, baby, we're dreaming daily. Come run away to the canyon by the bay. When you're out here, darling, you're kissed by the starlight. Rockets blasting by from the cave beneath the sky. Just you and I watching your hands in my pocket. So let go of my ego and release me into free flow. I try not to distract, but you look so good when you're undressed. Forget those painful days, you don't need them anyway. So find the ones you love, who remind you you're enough. As soon as I decide to open up my eyes, I let go of the shame, and I never feel the same. So stay with me now. If you love me, show me how. 'Cause I feel it. Babe, do you feel it? Baby, we could be alone in our meditative zone. So breathe deep, baby, we're dreaming daily. Come all away to the canyon by the bay. When you're out here, darling, you're kissed by the starlight. Rockets blasting by from the cave beneath the sky. You and I watching your hands in my pocket.
Waiting around for you to call back. Pacing around my room and my dad. Crazy, crazy, I want you to know what you have against me. The city is not the place for us to be. 'Cause I'm trying to figure out why you hate me. Was it something I did? Yeah, I don't need to offend. I'm just waiting, I'm just waiting. Because of all of the lies, yeah, you don't need to disguise your face, your face. I just want you to know that I am rooting for you. It's okay, it's okay. I can't really take it anymore. The stress is building up inside my heart. The clock is ticking, the time is up. The way I'm feeling, I think it's done. Waiting around for you to call back. Pacing around my room and my dad. Crazy, crazy, I want you to know what you have against me. The city is not the place for us to be.
I wanna find out now, 'cause you got me running all over this town, this town.
'Cause I'm trying to figure out why you hate me. Was it something I did? Yeah, I don't need to offend. I'm just waiting, I'm just waiting. Because of all of the lies, yeah, you don't need to disguise your face, your face. I just want you to know that I am rooting for you. It's okay, it's okay.